Alright, so we're going to play a game called Soundscapes. The way this works is we are going to have Charlie and JT start, and they're going to start a scene, but it's going to be like a movie. You know how when you listen to the movies, you hear the soundtrack, and you kind of know what's going to happen next, because if the music gets real, you know, yeah. Thank you for responding. You're the only one listening to me. So what's going to happen is Molly's going to play the soundtrack of this scene, and these guys are going to respond to it. So let's get Charlie and JT up here. They're engaged in some activity. They're doing something together. What are they doing?
On their first date.
They're on their first date. Okay. Well, you guys are on your first date somewhere, and Molly's going to play the soundtrack of this, and you guys are going to respond. And Mo, Michael, can you jump in if needed? Of course, man. Take it away.
Here you go, honey, just for you, a hot dog, just the way you said you liked it online at Match. I feel like this time it's really going to work out. It's not going to be like the 384 other dates I had in the last 2 years. Well, you know, it only worked out when you hit 385, and woo, I'm here for it. It's a magic number. Well, you're a magic person. I can't wait for later tonight. Me either. Dessert's going to be fantastic. Oh, do tell me, please, what will dessert be? Chocolate cheese. No
that
way.
Melts in your mouth.
Woo! But I'm allergic to cheesecake. Oh no! What could possibly go wrong? You could be. You're gonna cheat on me. I just know it. I can tell. No! Don't say that like the other three. Don't say that yet, Marlene. I won't. I promise. I won't. Just take out the cheese part and make a chocolate cake, and everything will be fine.
Jimmy, I want to trust you. I want to.
Look, I brought you to Fred's hot dog stand. Fred, you've known me for years now. I'm trustworthy, right?
He's really trustworthy.
Fred, you're awful cute.
What?
Marlene, that's your name?
Yeah.
Yeah. You like a big dog?
I
That's a baby. That's for me.
know. There's nothing wrong with Vienna sausages, okay? Nothing.
I must disagree.
Vienna sausages are cheap and dirty.
I knew I shouldn't have trusted
Not
you.
like my all beef dog.
Yeah, let me guess. It plumps when you cook it.
I don't even have to cook it. Mine just plump.
It's your turn to speak. You're in the lead.
No, Marlene. No, come on back to me. That cheesecake, you promised. I'm not allergic. It was just a ruse to test you.
So you'll survive the cheesecake?
For you, I will survive.
Go ahead. Eat the cheesecake. Here, take a bite. You're not allergic.
No, I'm not. Just to prove it to you.
Take it. Eat it.
Ah! Red!
I knew.
You're evil. You're devious.
I am.
I think I love you.
Ah!
Let's.
Ah!
I don't think this is going to work out.
Mouse!
Date 385.
He wants
It's
nothing
not a
else.
ride. Now it's time for our turn.